Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Monday, January the 13th, the beginning of a new week. So, we are out here in Alpharetta, Georgia. This is actually the residence of Mr. Harry. Mr. Harry has used us numerous times. The first time he used me, I have a network partner that also installs floors, and one of my niche services is removing glue residue from floors. A lot of times when they install engineered floors, they get glue all over the floors, and by the time the glue dries, it is hard to get the glue off. So that is something that I have mastered. I've actually been out of town, out of state, to help contractors and builders with that issue so they didn't have to replace the floor. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, I'm going to be doing a little education in this video, is cleaning the floors. They have some residue, and I'm going to tell you why. So anyway, it is a beautiful day. I actually booked my last appointment of the week for Saturday. I went out last Wednesday or Thursday, and I did 6 consultations, and all 6 consultations booked, and the 6th one that booked today for this coming Saturday. So we are fully slammed this whole week. Already got jobs for next Monday and Tuesday. So I'm just taking appointments for next Wednesday and Thursday because I'm going to be going out of town next Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So let me flip this around, guys, and show you what we're doing on this beautiful day. All right, guys, so we are in Alpharetta, Georgia. Again, this is you can see some of the snow residual left from the snow that we had two days ago. So let me show you, we have serviced this home numerous times. Again, this is Mr. Harry, and what we're doing, guys, is just our clean and buff service. And we do have a minimum of $750, and my ideal clients understand. So these are the floors that we're going to be doing. The first time I say I did these floors was probably about, I think, 2-3 years ago when Mr. Harry had these floors installed, and they had glue everywhere. So in this process, you don't have to move your furniture. We can just go around it, which we're going to be doing. So we're right now just setting up. So guys, if you look really, really close, I'm going to kind of zoom in. Have a lot of residue, footprint, scuff marks on these floors. And the reason why that's happening, I just did some investigation talking to Mr. Harry, is when they were cleaning the floors, they were using pre-washed microfiber pads. And what happened, guys, when you use pads that you put in the wash machine, those pads get detergent in them. And microfiber, see right here, guys, look all right here. See all that? See all that? See all that? Microfiber does not like to let go. It likes to hold. So we're basically just going to do a thorough clean on these floors, and then we're going to buff them out. And yeah, and make Mr. Harry happy again. So anyway, guys, go ahead and get started, and stay tuned. How much residue was on these floors. These floors look immaculate, like just the day we did them. So anyway, let me show you the pads. These are 2 different pads. This is the one that we just used. Look at that right there. Not only after when we clean the floor, we then buff the floor. The buffing picks up any residue that's still left on the floor. And I think there was a little bit more than residue. I think there might have been some type of acrylic on this floor. But look at this compared to a brand new pad, and you can see the difference. So this is the side that I have not used yet. Look at that. So that's why I like the bunnet pads, because they hold the residue to the pad. And that is a huge difference. So I'm actually going to show this to Mr. Harry, which I think he could care less as long as his floors are clean. But yeah, man, these floors are back to their original state. So I'm going to buff them out some more because, again, these fibers can only hold so much before they start getting loaded. And then we flip them or we go to a new pad. All right, guys. guys, that is gonna do it. These floors are clean and residue free. Again, not gonna put a dirty pad up there. This is a clean, unused pad, all right? And this is a dirty one. Now some people wash theirs. I do not wash mine. I throw mine away. Again, guys, my clients pay me pretty well not to reuse pads and bring them into someone else's home. So when after using these go straight in the trash can. There is no reusing these. But again, the floors are residue free. Woo! I literally just booked another consultation for tomorrow. So we have a screen and recoat with UV cure tomorrow. And then I had another gentleman that just found me in Jasper. He just went on to set his appointment up based off the square footage and the pictures for next Wednesday. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to finish wrapping up with my client. And then we're going to go grab some lunch and then head to our next appointment. See you in the next one.